Hi everyone, my name's Elaine. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I thought I would come on and make a 5-minute Christmas card using the Scalloped contour dies and the Simply Elegant Speciality Design Series paper. You can see the dies that I use, I will leave a description in the box below. Yeah, just watch me do it, you know. There's nothing to it. As I said, pre-prepared, so it will, once you cut everything out, it doesn't take that long. So I'm using the copper foil paper, and that, as I said, the specially designed paper, and that's beautiful. So yes, like I said, I made so many different Christmas cards, so check out my blog and what I posted, but it's mostly using this. I've used this lovely die set. There you go, voila. Doesn't take that long to actually make this card. If you kind of run out of ideas, you can use all your scraps up just using just specialty paper, designer paper. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? There you go. You've got a really upmarket beginner, you know, type card. And this is what I'm going to stamp now, using early espresso. I would you can make it upmarket by actually using it in Boston powder, but I'm not doing that today. So there you go. This is what I'm going to do. Merry Christmas. Cute. Here's a top tip. What I do, I put the main thing what I want to stamp on the front on one side of the block, and on the other side I put the message. But I always make sure, sometimes, to make sure that you're printing it the right way up, test it out on your scrap paper, which I will do shortly to show you, to make sure I'm printing it the right way up. Always print your card, because if you put it on and print it and you make a mistake, you now have to start all over again. So I'm now going to use some dimensionals to actually give it a nice 3D effect. It's cute. Oh, voila. Don't you like that? Doesn't that look beautiful? As I said, before, make sure I want to use the right message. Make sure it's the right way up. I normally stamp on there first to make sure I've got it the right way up. And there you go. Message inside. Now we're going to just bling it up now. Put some sort of some bling on the card now. Love it. Sometimes if you made a bit of a wobbly, you could bling it inside of the card. just to give it that voila, there's your 5-minute card. Tell me what you think. Make a comment, like. You know, as I said, you can make simple cards just using just dies and a bit of ink. Thank you for watching the show. Please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share it. It helps to encourage me that I'm doing a good job. Bye for now.